In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Printify store to your Wix website step by step. This process is essential if you're looking to expand your e-commerce capabilities by integrating on-demand printing and product fulfillment with your existing site. So let's get started. First things first, you need to add the Printify app to your Wix website. Begin by logging into your Wix account and opening the site editor. Once you're in, you'll want to focus on the left-hand menu where you can click the Add Apps button. This will bring up the Wix App Market, where a wealth of tools are available to enhance your site. In the search bar, simply type Printify and select the Printify app from the list of results. Next, click on Add to Site. You'll be prompted with a confirmation dialog. Click Agree and Add to authorize the integration. This step is crucial as it establishes the connection between Printify and your Wix site. Make sure that your Wix site already has the Wix Stores app installed because it acts as the foundation for this integration. Now let's move on to the next step, connecting your Printify account. After you've successfully added the app to your site, you will be prompted to create a new Printify account or log into an existing one. If you're new to Printify, you'll need to go through the sign-up process. However, if you already have an account, logging in should be straightforward. With your account credentials ready, enter your information and proceed to follow the on-screen instructions. These instructions are designed to help link your Wix store with your Printify account seamlessly. During this process, you'll be asked to either select an existing Printify store or create a new one if none exists. This is a key moment where you define the operational parameters for how your store will function. It's at this stage that you will name your connected store, making it identifiable and unique. In addition, you will need to authorize Printify to manage your orders and products. This authorization allows you to leverage Printify's robust printing and fulfillment services without the need to manage these aspects manually. With these steps complete, you're all set up. You've now linked your Printify store to your Wix website, which paves the way for you to offer a wide range of print-on-demand products. From here, you can start designing and adding products to your store, helping to grow your business with efficiency and ease. If you have any questions or run into issues along the way, remember that both Wix and Printify offer comprehensive support to guide you through troubleshooting any concerns. Thanks for watching and happy selling!